In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Steam not opening or launching on Windows 10 or 11. First method is to close Steam processes. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard or right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Search for Steam and their processes. Right-click on any Steam processes and select End Task. 2. Adjust Steam compatibility settings. Find the Steam shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply to save settings. The third method is to check firewall settings. Search for Windows Defender in the Start menu. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll down and find Steam and make sure both private and public are checked for Steam. If not listed, click on Allow another app and browse the Steam application and add it. Fourth method is to clear Steam local app data. Open the Run dialog by searching for Run in the Start menu. Type Local App Data and hit Enter. Find the Steam folder and right-click it and then select Delete and confirm the deletion if prompt. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.